Hi Maysama friends, congratulations on your Maysama purchase. I know you're going to love the Maysama Urchin. Whether you're new to this beauty tool or already have it in hand, today we're going to take a deep dive into what it is, how it works, and how you can get the most out of it. So let's get started. The Maysama Urchin is an innovative, multifunctional beauty device that combines sonic cleansing, microcurrent, and red LED light therapy to give your skin a complete workout. It deeply cleanses, promotes lymphatic drainage, and tones your facial muscles, all while being super easy to use at home. When you first get your Maysama Urchin, you'll find the device itself, a stand, and a USB charging cable inside the box. First thing you need to do is to fully charge it before use. Just plug it into any USB port. You can even charge it from your laptop. It'll take about 3 hours to fully charge. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, how to use it. Let's start with sonic cleansing. So what is sonic cleansing and why do you need it? Sonic cleansing uses a vibrating silicone brush head for deep but gentle cleansing and massage. With up to 6,000 vibrations per minute, Maysama Urchin helps to unclog pores, lift away dirt and impurities, and leave your skin feeling clean and pampered. Sonic cleansing goes beyond your regular face wash, turning your daily routine into a soothing self-care ritual that feels like a mini spa moment. By combining deep cleansing with a gentle facial massage, it helps release built-up tension in your facial muscles and gets your blood flowing, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells. Plus, it supports lymphatic drainage, which can reduce puffiness and give your face a more sculptured look. Let's take a look at your Maysama Urchin in action, starting with the cleansing mode. To switch on your Urchin, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You'll hear 2 beeps and the indicator light will turn on. The device starts in the default mode, which is pulse red LED. Microcurrent and vibration settings are off for now. Next, let's activate the sonic cleansing mode. Press the VR button, the top button, once for 1 second. Now you're in gentle cleansing mode. If you prefer a bit more intensity, then just press the button again for medium vibration or twice more for high intensity. You can easily switch between levels depending on what your skin needs. Now apply your favourite cleanser and use your Maysama Urchin to gently massage the product into your skin using small circular motions. Make sure to cover your entire face and neck. Maysama Urchin works with any type of cleanser, whether it's water-based, gel, balm or oil. Personally, I love pairing it with Maysama Gel Balm Cleanser because it's super gentle and perfect for sensitive skin. It's packed with oat beta-glucan and organic oat milk, which are amazing for keeping your skin hydrated and moisturised while you cleanse. You can keep it gentle by using the lowest setting for a light cleanse or turn up the vibration for a deeper cleanse and exfoliation if you prefer. One of the best parts is that sonic cleansing gently exfoliates while it cleanses, making it perfect for mature skin to sweep away dead skin cells and reveal a fresher glow, or for acne-prone skin to help clear clogged pores. Removing those dead skin cells also means your skincare products can penetrate better, so they work even harder for you. Keep massaging for a few minutes to make sure you've covered every area. Once you're done, remove any excess product with a damp cloth. Just press once more to turn the vibration off and the Urchin goes back to the default pulsed red LED mode. Or to turn off your Urchin completely, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until you hear a long beep. That's how you know it's off. Once you have finished cleansing, you can detach the brush head and clean it in a bowl of mild soap and water or just under the tap. The silicone remains sterile because it's non-porous and has antimicrobial properties. And there you have it. That's how you use Maysama Urchin for a thorough and relaxing cleanse. So how often should you use it? Well, that really depends on your skin type. You might love using your sonic cleansing daily or just every now and then. If, like me, you have rosacea, I would not recommend daily use because it increases microcirculation, which may increase flushing. But for normal oily, dry, and even acne-prone skin, it's totally safe for regular use. Now, let's take things up a notch and do a skin rejuvenation treatment with the microcurrent and LED function. If you're going for that red carpet look, this mode is perfect for an instant lift. Microcurrent uses a gentle, low-level current that mimics your body's natural electrical impulses. These small pulses work to stimulate and tone your facial muscles over time, helping to lift and firm the skin. By boosting your skin's cellular energy, or ATP, microcurrent also enhances the production of collagen and elastin, the key proteins that keep your skin looking smooth and youthful. With more collagen and elastin, your skin's texture improves and fine lines and wrinkles become less noticeable. And red LED light is one of my favourite modalities because it stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation and helps your skin absorb products better. The Maysama Urchin uses a 630 nanometer wavelength, perfect for getting those anti-aging benefits. Before we start our treatment, make sure your skin is clean and slightly damp. Then choose which skincare you want to use with your treatment. You'll need a conductive serum or microcurrent gel. Maysama's Green Rooibos Press Serum is conductive for use with microcurrent, and you can combine it with other serums like a hyaluronic acid serum for more slip or argireline serum to target fine lines and wrinkles. If your serums dry down quickly and you need more slip, then use a mist to help keep your face damp. Maysama Green Rooibos Atomizer is just the job for this and adds a boost of hydration. Or simply start with the microcurrent gel, which is conductive and doesn't dry down easily. So let's get started. To switch on your device, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You'll hear 2 beeps and see the indicator light turn on. Your Urchin will start in the default mode with pulsed red LED on and both microcurrent and vibration off. To activate microcurrent, simply press the power button again. Just a short press this time for 1 second. Microcurrent will then be activated, starting at the lowest setting, which is level 1. If it's your first time, I recommend starting here. Depending on your degree of sensitivity, you may prefer a lower or higher setting. You can easily adjust the microcurrent intensity by pressing the button again for level 2 or twice more for level 3. It's not necessary to use the highest microcurrent setting to get the best results. Now place the Urchin directly onto your skin and use gentle upward strokes. Starting at your chin, work along your jawline and up towards your temple with gentle pressure and upward strokes. Make sure the electrode surfaces stay flat against your skin and keep the device moving. Repeat this process a few times in each area until you've covered your whole face. You'll feel a quick vibration every 6 seconds. This is just to remind you that the device is active. Moving onto your neck, start at the base of your neck and work up towards your chin. Always avoid the thyroid area. Your whole treatment should take just 3 to 5 minutes. And when you're finished, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to switch off the device. And that's it. Once you're done, just clean the Urchin head with a damp cloth, store it back in its cradle, and you're all set for your next skincare session. Remember, consistency is key. For the sonic cleansing mode, you can use it daily or a few times a week, depending on your skin type. The microcurrent and LED mode works best when you use it 2 to 3 times a week. Stick with it and you'll start seeing firmer, more radiant skin in no time. Before you go, here are a few other things you might like to know. Firstly, remember when you turn your device on, the default mode is pulsed red LED light. No vibration, no microcurrent. To select cleansing mode, you simply need to press the top button, the VR button, and make sure the silicone brush head is on. And increase the sonic vibration according to your preference. To select the microcurrent mode, simply press the bottom button and choose your preferred intensity level. If you want to, you can use red LED without microcurrent just to help absorption of your skincare. So why not make it part of your everyday skincare regime? If you forget to turn your Urchin off, don't worry. It will beep twice after 10 minutes without operating and then shut down automatically. And if your device is running too low on battery, the power indicator light will flash and your Maysama Urchin will shut down immediately. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below or reach out to us at info@maysama.com. Thanks for watching, and here's to happy, healthy skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more skincare content. Until next time.